Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Septa Marwah Kamalia. I'm from Crossing Class 2018. Today, I will explain about part of the linguistic. Do you know? Semantic. That is semantic. Semantic is the study of meaning. So we can know the meaning divided into three. The first is meaning from music, the second is painting, and the third is life. So why semantic? The study of meaning. The study of meaning in human expression, especially through language. So language, basic component in linguistic, divide into three also. The first is sound, the second is form, and the third is meaning. The study of sound, that is phonetic and phonology. The study of word, clauses and phrase, that is morphology. And the study of clauses and phrases, that's called is syntax. And the study of meaning, that is semantic. And also to human expression, for the example ouch, that's the main pragmatic. So I will explain just a little bit. But many people say that semantic is the most difficult things to understand. Why? Because semantic indefinite or underestimate sometimes cannot logically between form and meaning. So if we want to find in dictionary, but the meaning is not the same. So I will explain about this. So some of the opinion, semantic divide into two. The first is denotative and connotative. But according to Levi's, there are 7 meaning in semantic. So I will explain one by one. The first is conceptual or connotative meaning or denotative meaning. Sorry. This is logical or cognitive meaning. And it is the proportional meaning. A language essentially depends on conceptual meaning for communication. For the example, woman. Is it also the girl adult? Is it the meaning of woman? But in connotative meaning, that is the different meaning in denotative and connotative. So in denotative meaning is the way of proportion. Woman is exactly the meaning is the pregnant, using dress or skirt, and it is like concept the meaning of is the communicative value or expression over. And the third is social meaning. Is it about the social context? So some of the linguists said that social meaning has the phrase of the language. For the example, horse, same meaning with state and law, and also home, resident, and domicile. That is the same meaning, but how to use in the other context. So that is the stylish variation. The fourth is affective meaning. It is expressed about personal feeling. So for some linguists, remote that association or effect of word in the rather that is somewhat is convey about the personal feeling or attitude listener. So for example, you will have that is the affective meaning. And the fifth is reflective meaning. Is also in taboo word. Do you know taboo? It cannot be explained how to understand about the meaning. For example, ghosts most frequented and popular non-religious. It means that ghost doesn't have religion. So that's why that's the reflective meaning. And the sixth is collocative meaning. The collocative meaning is one of the more category, which is a word occurs in the company of certain. For the example, the meaning of good looking is pretty and handsome. So the meaning is collocative meaning. And the last is thematic meaning. This is understand the message of the implication. So it's referred to what is communicated by the way in which a speaker of a water encasts the message in focus and place. So for the example, Mr. Smith donated the first prize, but the first prize was donated by Mr. Smith. So the third thing focus on the meaning. So I will conclude the conclusion. In semantic, there are 7 meaning. The first is connotative meaning. The second is denotative meaning. The third is social meaning. The fourth is affective meaning, reflective meaning, collocative meaning, and thematic meaning. So that's all for me. Thank you very much. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.